Hey gang, Scott here. I got a quick tip for you about leveraging the Lightroom HDR editing button, but to help you with your SDR photo editing. And the reason for this, it helps you visualize exactly where your brightest highlights are going to be. Got an example, let me show you what I'm talking about. So this photo here, edited as SDR, no HDR editing. This is my finished image, but I want to go back to the original. And take a look at that histogram shift. I'm going to do that again. Final. Original. Over in that highlights area, right up in here, highlights and even the whites, that is just not out at the far edge. That would automatically be, okay, I got to stretch that histogram a little bit more. I want that spread of tones. So where exactly are my brights, right? I can just grab, actually even the histogram, right? I can just grab this and start moving it around and pushing it. I can kind of see it where it's popping around in the sky and so forth, and the reflections. But I can also just turn on this HDR mode. Now I just saw a shift on my monitor because it's HDR capable. I'm not recording the screen with HDR capability, but you don't need to worry about for this technique. Hit Visualize HDR and light up there in the sky. There are like my super brights right up in that cloud area. And so what that's telling me is that's an area I want to make sure gets really bright as I do the work on the photo and making sure the tones are balanced. And for this image, the way I approached it was leveraging a luminance range mask, right? Or luminosity masks. So let me go back to the final here. But really, it's the very first mask that I did. Did the basics. I did boost those whites up some to push that SDR histogram over to the right without clipping. But in the masks, and let me just turn off all of these masks. You know me and my masking. I do lots of masking, but here's the one, right there. And just I want to make sure that sky and bleeding out into the other areas, see that range mask. Really hitting the highlights and then smoothing it out because I want that to taper off nicely. Exposure, pop the whites. Even decided to take the saturation down a little bit just to make sure those got extra bright. But that part of the technique, we've done this for a whole lot of years, right? Use a luminance range mask, target it, do what you're going to do to it. But you can tap into this HDR button to get another way of seeing what is the brightest areas in your photo. And you might see various different colors. I got a whole different series of videos about Lightroom HDR editing. But if you're still working with an SDR based monitor, or you're like me, I'm doing this photo as SDR because it doesn't need the HDR. One of those videos talks about how the histogram changes and the different ranges you can visualize. Check that out. It can help you out when you're doing your SDR editing. Hope you found the video useful. Questions, drop them below. And until next time, my name's Scott Davenport. Have fun.